What's up, you guys? My name is Jose. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do something I've never done in this channel before. Yes, we're going to talk about crypto. I know that there's an opportunity to buy crypto right now because it's gone downhill, right? Just like everything else in the stock market. But I've never owned crypto. I'm never going to own crypto. I still believe in the US dollar, but there's a lot of people out there that are skeptical about our government, right? And they want to own some crypto. They also want to, a lot of them also just want to flip it, right? They want to sell it for more than they bought it. But today I'm going to share an article from the NRDC that talks about the crypto has a climate problem. If you don't know what NRDC is, the NRDC is the Natural Resources Defense Council, right? It's people that worry about the climate, right? So we're going to go ahead and have a look at that. And I'm going to give you my opinion about crypto. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. The title, Crypto Has a Climate Problem. Now, you probably heard by now that crypto takes a lot of effort, a lot of energy to mine. Right here it says, ask anyone about cryptocurrency and they will all tell you that they are about to revolutionize the financial system. Well, they've been out for quite a bit, right? Bitcoin, for example, came out, June or January 2009. So it's been about 13, 15 years, and we're still waiting for Bitcoin to revolutionize our financial system. Bitcoin is the world's oldest and most popular cryptocurrency with total market value of about $1.3 trillion with a T. For comparison, our national debt is around $30 trillion. Crypto's massive carbon footprint stems from the mind-boggling computing power required to carry out the buying and selling of crypto coins across the network. This is something that the NRDC is worried about, right? Our fiat money, right? The everyday kind of money that you have in your pocket is backed by the federal government, the US dollar. But how much trust do people have in the US dollar right now with inflation at all-time highs? In order to Bitcoin to remain legitimate, it is important that only valid transactions are recorded. This prevents users from spending Bitcoin they don't really have. We've heard the stories, we heard the news about a lot of people hacking Bitcoin and stealing Bitcoin from people. The blockchain is supposed to be very secure, but for some reason it keeps happening. People keep getting their Bitcoin stolen. If you don't believe me, here's an article from the DOJ, Department of Justice, just published on February 8, 2022 that says, two arrested for alleged conspiracy to launder $4.5 billion in stolen cryptocurrency. Government seized $3.6 billion in stolen cryptocurrency directly linked to the 2016 hack of virtual currency exchange. So even though everyone talks about how secure cryptocurrency and all that is, and you have platforms like Coinbase and all the other intermediaries that will sell you Bitcoin and all that, people are still hacking into the systems and stealing Bitcoin. Mining is not the only way that Bitcoin can make people money. Average investors are buying Bitcoin in hopes that its value will continue to rise so they can turn a profit. That's just probably 90% of you guys watching my video right now. That's what you're waiting for your Bitcoin to go from 30,000 to 40, 50, 60,000 so you can turn a profit and go ahead and sell it to the next investor. Problem is that right now, most cryptocurrencies remain unregulated as financial assets under the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and because of this, their prices are frequently manipulated. We've seen that. Market participants are too often defrauded or simply exploited. Assets are stolen outright and taxes owed are often not reported. Okay, so this is something that the SEC is trying to battle. Here's a graph that shows the Bitcoin electricity consumption and how much it's grown in the last 5 years. Now, Bitcoin's electricity use has skyrocketed over the past 2 years. Together, the computers that support the cryptocurrency consume more power per year than some countries did in 2019. These right here are terawatt hours per year. Germany, 500 terawatt hours per year. United Kingdom, right underneath it, 289 terawatt hours per year. So those are the biggest two right there producers of Bitcoin right now at this time, or the miners of Bitcoin. And you have Vietnam, Egypt, Sweden, and Portugal as well. And the article goes on to talk about the NFTs and all that. We're not going to talk about NFTs on this video, but if you want to see a video on NFTs and why I think it's also a waste of your resources and money and time, let me know in the comments below. All right, so we know that it takes a lot of energy consumption to mine cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, right? As I show you on this article. There are other reasons not to buy Bitcoin besides environmental, right? My biggest reason is that I just simply believe I missed the boat. I mean, at the prices that they are right now, even at $30,000, I don't think it's a good buy. I still have faith in the US dollar. I still believe that the Fed is going to get inflation under control. I do understand that the world currency before the US dollar was the British pound and before it was the Dutch. I still believe the dollar is still strong. It's been the world's currency for the last 75 years, and I don't think it's going to change anytime soon. Guys, that's my video right now. I just want to give you some information about Bitcoin and how it causes a problem to the environment. But hey, that's just my opinion according to the research that I've done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick is the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.